Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly unveiled Hyundai Bayon compact crossover. This new compact crossover is based on the newly launched Hyundai i20. However, Hyundai has given it a completely new exterior design with only the interiors looking identical to the premium hatchback. Obviously, being a crossover, this Hyundai Bayon offers slightly more ground clearance than the regular i20 premium hatchback. And talking about the styling, the Hyundai Bayon features a split headlamp and split grille setup, lending this crossover a quirky yet aggressive appearance from the front. Just like the globally launched new Hyundai Elantra, the Bayon also features heavily contoured sheet metal on the doors, while the alloy wheel design is identical to that seen on the top spec variants of the Hyundai Aura compact sedan on sale in India. The Hyundai Bayon also features a gently arching contrast black roof, and the C-pillar reminds us of the Jeep Compass. At the rear though, the new Hyundai Bayon looks nothing like any other car and features boomerang-shaped vertical tail lamps which are connected by a horizontal LED strip, making the rear profile quite interesting. Both the front and rear bumpers feature silver finished skid plates, and the black roof rails complete the overall crossover look. Talking about the interior on the other hand, since the Bayon is based on the i20, the interior is exactly identical to that seen on the premium hatchback. Everything including the TFT color instrument cluster, the same 10.25-inch touchscreen system, the steering wheel with cruise control, ambient mode lighting, and the door panel design are a direct liftoff from the i20 hatchback. Just like the i20 premium hatchback, the Bayon also features an electric sunroof and a 7-speaker Bose surround sound system and 6 airbags on the top spec variant. Additionally, the Bayon also offers dual zone automatic climate control, which is not available on the Indian spec i20. The Hyundai Bayon has been designed with the European market in priority and will be available with the very same 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine in 2 states of tune. The base version produces 100 PS of maximum power and 172 Nm of maximum torque, while the higher versions will produce 120 PS of maximum power without any difference in the torque figure. Irrespective of the state of tune, this engine is mated to a 48-volt mild hybrid system and will be available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. Though the new Hyundai i20-based Bayon crossover looks really appealing for the Indian market, we are not sure whether this compact crossover will be launched in India at all, because Hyundai India already has the Hyundai Venue at a similar price range. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Hyundai Bayon compact crossover. Would you like to see this in India? Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.